Alright, today on Scavenge and Sell we have another of the Hallmark keepsake ornaments that use the magic cord light and sound system. This is the Snow Fun Ferris wheel, Snow Fun Ferris wheel. Christmas tree ornament decoration from 2014. This one rotates around and plays music, but you have to pull this cord on the underneath it, so I'm going to have to hold it up. It's supposed to be hanging, it's going to hang around the top. So here we go. All right, check out the auction.